Well, the time has finally came. We are finally doing this.
Yeah, I agree with Officer Tom. And also, are you ready to finally defeat COVID?
Oh, indeed, yes. I'm ready to finally defeat COVID. Also, I can't believe COVID had imprisoned all the students from all high schools. COVID will pay for this nonsense once I kick COVID's butt.
Don't worry, Javier Dominguez Salazar. At least you're finally going to defeat COVID. After COVID is defeated with her pandemic, then it's all over. But after the defeat COVID, we still have to do the following actions: wash your hands, stay home if you're sick. We still have to do this, although this may change.
You know, I would have to agree.
Come on, boys. There's a sacred mission to complete. Defeating COVID.
Yes, good thinking.
Officer Tom, I have a quick question.
Yes, what is your question?
You know how COVID is attacking us? Where is COVID located?
Good question.
Oh my God, are you serious?
Oh, I forgot, it's almost time for Javier Dominguez Salazar to fight COVID.
Oh, you're right, we better hurry up. Sorry for wasting time. Let's get going.
I see. So you had over 100 friends from school, and you made all those friends all by yourself? Wow, what an accomplishment. And also, 5 years of friends since 2016, right?
Yes. This had been happening for 5 years already.
Well, I suppose you really are one sort of famous 15-year-old teenager.
Yeah, I agree with Officer Tom. I see your point. Oh, are you? Well, would you look at that? It's COVID.
There she is. She is causing a huge chaos right now.
There's COVID, my arch nemesis.
Well, if it is the same kid that I have to fight with.
COVID, you're no good for nothing. Javier Dominguez Salazar will take you down. And also, there's no one to assist you right here and now. 1889 Russian flu, 1957 Asian flu, 1918 Spanish flu, and Master Hand have all been defeated. Now we're going to settle this right here and now.
Oh whatever, this world deserves to have a global pandemic anyways. Seems that the hero's friends are kinda like me, but I'll just go ahead and settle this right here and now.
You shut your mouth, COVID. My over 100 friends are nothing like you, who made all those confirmed cases for 2 years already, who imprisoned not only my friends, but also all the students from all high schools, who made all of the confirmed deaths due to the pandemic, and who is the leader of the coronavirus disease 2019. Not my friends. You're the one that's responsible for all of this COVID. But what I don't get is how you managed to place the world into a pandemic in the first place.
If you can think you can defeat me, I have rules, and you guys will be playing by my rules.
Yeah? Well, all of your rules are meant to be broken.
Alright. It's on. Javier Dominguez Salazar, I'll go ahead and drop you off over that giant roof of the COVID's palace, and you're going to have to destroy the giant roof. Okay, Javier Dominguez Salazar, we're counting on you. Good luck.
Yes, I agree. Good luck out there. Be careful, Javier Dominguez Salazar.
Okay, now I have to rescue all the students from all high schools, even my friends. I'm going to rescue them right here and now. Wow, rescuing my friends and the students from all high schools went very well. I see. They're all evacuating the Michigan Stadium. Well, there ain't no time for chat. I got to defeat COVID and destroy the roof. Come on. Okay, one more, and then it's finished.
Ha! Welcome to the boss fight.
You.
Normally I would head to get you my disease, but it may be more fun to get you gone forever just like all those confirmed cases. So get over here now. You just don't know when to stop, do you? Well then, prepare for this battle.
I think a better sentence is that you just don't know when to stop making those confirmed cases, do you? Well then, it seems your precious pandemic ends right here and now.
You know that if you ruin my life by doing this, you will regret this.
Actually, you ruined your own life by making over 1 million confirmed cases for over 2 years already and also imprisoning all the students from all high schools. Anyways, it's on.
Why you? How did you become strong? That's it. You ask for it. All right. There. Now it's really on.
Get back here. You no good idiot. Blue wings, activate. There. I destroyed it. Now you ain't got no choice. This is where our story ends. Come at me. Come and dance with me. You no good idiot.
Uh-oh. Here he comes.
Oh, thank goodness I survived that one. Jeez. I cannot believe this. I can't believe that I had to do this. Oh my god. I cannot believe this. I can't believe that I finally defeated COVID. I can't believe I rescued all students from all high schools, even my friends, that were imprisoned by COVID. After 2 years of COVID being around. She's finally gone. Victory. Oh my god. I finally did it. All those cheers. Everywhere.
Javier Dominguez Salazar. Congratulations. You finally defeated COVID. Now peace is finally back to normal.
Thanks man. Also, thanks you too.
So what do we do now?
I think we can now start a new life without COVID after 2 years already. Anyways, let's land to the floor.
Well, good thinking. Firefighter Paul, can you make the helicopter land?
Well then, okay. I'll do it.